Selling your house is a big step. It can feel like a lot to handle. Don't worry, we'll break it down. With a little planning, you can sell your house quickly and for the best price. First things first, tidy up. A clean house looks more inviting to buyers. Clean every room, from top to bottom. Don't forget windows and appliances. Next, make small repairs. Fix leaky faucets, chipped paint, and loose doorknobs. These small fixes make a big difference. You want buyers to love your house at first sight. That's called curb appeal. Mow the lawn, trim the bushes, and plant some flowers. A welcoming entrance makes a great first impression. Now, let's talk about making your house look its best inside. This is called staging. Staging is about showing off your house's best features. Arrange furniture to make rooms look bigger. Let in lots of natural light. Professional photos are a must. Good photos help buyers picture themselves living in your house. They are the first thing people see online, so make them count. Setting the right price is important. You don't want to scare buyers away with a price that's too high. You also don't want to sell yourself short. A real estate agent can help you set the right price. They know the market and can help you price your home competitively. Agents also handle showings and negotiations. Selling your home yourself is called for sale by owner or FSBO. It can save you money on agent fees, but it's a lot more work. You'll handle everything yourself. Once your house is listed, be ready for showings. Keep your house clean and welcoming for potential buyers. When you get an offer, you can accept it, reject it, or make a counter offer. Your agent will help you negotiate the best deal. Closing is the final step. This is when you sign all the paperwork and officially sell your house. Congratulations, you did it.